But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. What Morgie's mother said, the teacher has to be adjusted according to the mind of students. Then only she could teach properly to the different kind of capacity of the students. Like that Morgie mother said. Tommy said, just the same, they did not do it that way then. That time, they did not do as you said, but they did differently. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. If you don't like it, you no need to read the book. Like that he said. I didn't say I didn't like it, Morgie said quickly. Immediately, Morgie said him, I didn't say I didn't like it. She wanted to read about those funny school. She liked to read the book because it say about the funny schools, that is old schools. They weren't even off finished when Morgie's mother called, Morgie, school, like that Morgie's mother called. The both children, they did not finish off of the book. Before that, Morgie's mother called, Morgie, school, like that she called her. Morgie looked up. Not at Mama. Mama means mummy. Not at. Time is not yet start. The class, it is not time. Like that she told. Now, said Mrs. Jones. Morgie's mother told, now. And it's probably time for Tommy too. This is the time for school to Tommy also. Like that Morgie's mother said. Morgie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? After school, can I read the book with you? Like that she asked him. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means not interestingly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. He walked away whistling because the school time is taught to him. So he walked away whistling. With a whistling, he moved out from her home. The dusty old book tucked. Tucked means to put into beneath his arm. Beneath means under. He kept the dusty old book under his arm. Morgie went into the schoolroom. Not school, schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. There is her schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom in her home. And the mechanical teacher was on because the time is correct time, class starting time. So mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time. Every day except Saturday and Sunday. Every day, the particular time, mechanical teacher was on. The same time, like that only they said. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Weekly 5 days only working day for her. The same time the mechanical teacher was on. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Why mechanical teacher was on at the same time every day? That is regular time. If the little children learn in regular hours only, they could learn better. Like that Morgie's mother said. Morgie's mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. The screen was light up. The screen was light up. Lit given, this is American English, light up. And it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. What lesson going on the screen? Maths. Arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction means denominator is bigger than numerator. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Mechanical teacher asked the student, Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. In the mechanical teacher, there is a part for insert the homework. There only the student have to insert their homework. Margie did so with a sigh. Margie did so. She also insert her homework with a sigh. Sigh means breathing heavily. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. When her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy, how he studied in old schools. She thought about that. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came. In the old school, how the people came to school means they all came from same area, neighborhood area, the particular town, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. In the school ground, they and all laughing and shouting, sitting together in the schoolroom. They are sitting together in the schoolroom. But in Margie, she is sitting alone in her schoolroom. But in old period, in the school, the students and all sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. Evening, going home time also, they moved out togetherly. They learned the same things. Same age children learn the same things in the same classroom. A single human teacher teach them the same lesson to all the children. So they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. The people, they could help one another in homework and talk about. And the teachers were people. People means human being. In the old period, in the school, teachers were human being. You see the picture, children. Robot teacher is here. Margie is there. But she is thinking about the old school. So she liked old school only. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. Yes, when she was thinking about old school, now the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, like that it is showing on the screen. But Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about old days school, how the kids must have loved it. Like that, she also thinking about the old school. She was thinking about the fun they had, how the children was make the class funny, or how the children enjoyed in the old school. Like that she was thinking. Okay, children, you also like this kind of teaching, isn't? But I know somebody of you like this kind of mechanical teacher only, so that you can easily skip your classes. But ordinary class only can develop social interaction, discipline and good manners. Okay, children? Okay, now you see your today's homework. This is your today's homework, children. This is given like fill in the blanks, but you have to fill it. I gave the answer in the top of the paragraph. You have to fill the answer and write as a paragraph. You study and write this homework neatly and send the homework clearly. Okay, children? You see the homework? From here start up to here given. You study this paragraph and send me clearly. Thank you, children.